myself Manjula. I am studying second BPharm in Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Educational and Research. Today our topic is factors influencing of the solubility of drugs. Now explain what is the solubility. Anybody explain what is solubility? The association of water molecule into the solubility of the drug. Now I explain to the factors. Factors are four types: solute, solvent, and environmental and formulation. In the solute related, the first nature of the solute related, the subdivisions are there. First, structural features of the drug. These the chemical structure and the functional groups of them. They are decided to the easily solubility of the drug. And when it is dissolved in the water, it is easily soluble and the formation of the hydrogen. And these drugs have the polar functional group. These are the which is dissolved in a water. The formation of the ions like anion and cation. And next the alkalides. In these alkalides is reactive with the acid plus base. The formation of the salt plus water. In this salt is in this main the formation of the salt. It is more soluble in alkalides. Alkalides it is a basic in nature and it is based on a nitrogen group. The next nature of solute. In this nature of solute mainly based on a size, surface area and the solubility. When the particle size will be decreased, the surface area will be increases, and the surface area will be increases, the solubility will be based on a shape. In this shape, the symmetrical molecules and the unsymmetrical molecules. The symmetrical molecules are the less soluble and the unsymmetrical are the more soluble because it has a more surface area, so it is more soluble than the symmetrical. In this crystal, it is also a less soluble because of it does not hold any water molecule, so it is a less soluble. Physiochemical properties. In this physiochemical properties is the melting point. The melting point has a cohesive qualities. In this melting point is converted into a solid to liquid. It has a cohesive. In this the latent heat is inversely proportional to the solubility. And this molar volume. Molar volume also directly proportional to the solubility. And the pK value also directly proportional to the solubility. In this salt form is a more soluble due to the formation of it is reactive with the acid plus base. In this physical form, it is based on anhydrous, amorphous, and metastable. These are the more soluble. In this anhydrous is a dry form. It does not react with water. Next, influence of the solvents. In this solvents are polar solvent and non-polar solvent. In this the first polar solvent is dissolved in a polar solvent, and the next non-polar solvent is dissolved in a non-polar solvent. Next co-solvent. In this co-solvent it increases the solubility of the drug in water. It is known as a solvent, and it is the combination of the solute plus solvent. It increases the solubility means by adding of a second solvent, by adding of other solvent, so it increases the solubility. Influence of the pH. In this pH, then the acidic pH and acidic bases and weak acid and weak basic. In this weak acid and weak bases, it is soluble in a basic pH. These are the soluble in a acidic pH. Both forms is salt. Next, temperature. In this temperature, it is divided into two: exothermic and endothermic. It releases the heat, it absorbs the heat. When it is increases the temperature, it will decreases the solubility. It is also increases the temperature and it is also increases the solubility. Because of it absorbs the heat, it releases heat. The other ingredients are this is the common ion effect. In this common ion, the solubilization of the sparingly soluble electrolyte, when it will be decreases by addition of other electrolyte, it shows a similar ions. This is known as the common ion effect. When it will be increases, it does not show any ions. Example, in acetic acid, the formation of acetic acid divided into acetate plus proton. By adding a other solute, these two shows a same ions. So it is known as a common ion effect. Next, influence of the surfactant. In these surfactants, due to the formation of the micelle, it increases the solubility of the drug. This micelle has it is a head, it is a tail, it is a hydrophilic, it is a hydrophobic. This is a micelle, hydrophobic, due to the formation of the solubilization. In the solubilization, it involves solute molecules in a micelle. By the formation of the micelle, it forms a critical micelle concentration. Thank you.